Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 18 from test 59F. Now right there, pause it, pause the video, take a crack at it yourself. And then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. Come on, do it. All right, let's get in there. It reads, when y equals x squared, which of the following expressions is equivalent to negative y? Okay, well, they're trying to make this super hypothetical with all their letters in the midst of math, etc. I don't want to do with it that way. I would like these to just be numbers. So why don't I choose some numbers? How about x is 2, and therefore y would be 4. 2 squared is 4. All right, sweet. So negative y, I suppose, would be negative 4. I have a calculator. I know that x is 2. Now I'll just go through these answer choices and cross off all the ones that don't give me negative 4. Let's go to F. We live in an exciting time. Bust out that calculator and be careful of your grouping. All right, well, that's actually just going to give us positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4, which was y, but we're looking for negative y. Sad. So the answer is not F. And then G, negative 2 squared. Well, that's negative 4. All right, well, G seems like it works. Let's go on, just in case we picked funky numbers that happen to work for more than one answer choice. H, negative x. Well, that's negative 2, which last time I checked is not negative 4. J, x to the negative 2. Well, that would be 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4, which is cool, but still not negative y. Sorry, J. And then K, which just says x, which would be 2. Sad, not the answer. All right, then I guess it was G. Again and again on these tests, we're going to see that the problem will propose that you do a question algebraically, and we can respond by choosing numbers and performing it arithmetically, because arithmetic is what the calculator is really good at. It's like amazing. It's like never wrong. It's incredible. It makes me feel very small and weak and feeble. Well, that's kind of redundant. But this is not an English video. So there you go. Plug in numbers, use your calculator, and the problem becomes a breeze. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.